What is up, my boys? How are you all doing? The boys with the eggplants. What's up? I have yet to watch episode 5 of The Boys, by the way. I took a nap instead. Priorities. Big priorities. Simon, if we play Among Us, can I join? Well, yeah, obviously. Obviously you can join. What, you think I'm just gonna be like, no, you're a dick, fuck you, you can't play games with me. I forgot my vaping device. No leaks? Really? Not even like these kind of leaks? No leaks? That's not nice. I love leaks. I fucking love leaks. What's up? All the boys. All the boys in the chat. Come hang out in the Simon stream. Fucking do keyboard shit. Did you see I bought like 2,000 Hojin springs? I did see. But I bought more. I am proud. I am quite proud. I finally fucking finished my Zephyr review. That's why it's over there instead of me having to type on it. I can leak something to you boys, since like not many people are yet watching. I will leak to you my my B-roll, okay? I'll leak to you the first bit of like a 45-minute video. Don't do it. No, I'm gonna do it. It's fine. Not everybody's here. It's fine. And if they clip it, I can delete it. And if they re-upload it, it doesn't fucking matter. It's my video. All right, let me get my IEMs in. There we go. That's me. All right. I'm gonna turn up desktop audio. I'm gonna go into detective mode. There we go. Alrighty. I am leaking now. Okay. This is a leak of the first 45 seconds of a 43-minute video. Have fun. Hello. Welcome to my review of the incredibly chunky Zeal PC Zephyr. A very, very shiny and heavy and chunky 65% by Zeal PC. Now, this had originally run in 2008 and then had a subsequent run after and was available in 4 colors, that being blue, black, red, and gray. What I have here is the red unit, and the red unit I was told was the most rare. And honestly, it's a very nice looking red in person. Now, what makes the Zephyr so special, if you don't know already, is the 5mm PVD brass plate and the huge PVD brass weight. And for those of you that may not know, the original group buy price for this in 2018 was $550, and then the second run was $600, which was unheard of in terms of a 65% for those times. It came in a fixed ANSI layout and has a pretty comfortable 7-degree angle and a 21mm front height without the feet. Now at 550, 600, that's all you get to see, okay? That's all you get to see. Is the music in the video? Yes. It sure is. It sure is. All right, let me give you guys back your actual music. There we go. All right, that's it. That's the leaks for the boys that were early in the stream. The B-roll just made me nut. Goddamn right. Goddamn right. Have I ever gotten moves? No. I don't buy memes. The JWKs I have were sent to me by very mean people. Oof. Alright, anyway. Our goal for today, by the way, not emote on Twitch when? I don't think ever, because it actually does belong to Krellbit. I mean, I can ask. Most equals alpaca? Oh. Well, I'm gonna tell you about them then. We're gonna mod these today. And make them usable, because we're going to put them in a particular keyboard that is right behind me. Very soon. But I can't talk about which keyboard. What's up, Kay? Jane V2? No, the Jane V2 is not behind me. It's right here. Checkmate, atheists. Fucking checkmate. I won? No. You have two? Fuck. Well, no, my other Jane 2 has like amazing switches. And it's not behind me as well. Get fucked. It's in my backpack over there. Because I was using it at the office. So how? It is not behind me. Where is your god now? Actually, I do need to grab it so I can put it in my cabinet. Have I received my Taobao order? I'm gonna get it on Sunday. Yes. Oh, wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, baby. There we go. Boba tops on alpacas are yes. I'm just gonna film them and try and make